Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ashwagandha Shatavari and Musli. These powerful herbs offer distinct benefits for your health. Ashwagandha is known for its adaptogenic properties, helping your body manage stress. Shatavari supports hormonal balance, especially for women, and aids digestion. Musli is valued for boosting energy and vitality. Understanding their individual roles helps optimize your wellness routine. These herbs are available in various forms, including powders, capsules, and liquid extracts. For ashwagandha, a typical daily dose is between 300 milligrams and 500 milligrams. Shatavari is often taken in 2 daily doses, each around 500 milligrams to 1,000 milligrams. Musli powder is usually consumed at 1 gram to 2 grams daily. Always follow product-specific instructions for best results. For best results, integrate these herbs into your daily routine consistently. Many people find taking them with meals helps absorption and reduces potential stomach upset. It is wise to start with a lower dose and gradually increase it as your body adjusts. Remember, consistency is key to experiencing the full range of benefits these natural remedies offer over time. While generally safe, some individuals might experience mild side effects like digestive upset or drowsiness. It is crucial to consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing medical conditions or are taking other medications. Pregnant or nursing individuals should avoid these supplements. Always prioritize your well-being and listen to your body. Also, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.